Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you unblock somebody into your Bitget community. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget application at very first. And after opening the Bitget application, you just simply have to tap into this dotted icon into the top left corner. Just simply select that, and after selecting that, you will get to see your profile. Simply select your profile in here and you will get to choose this option of community. Select community and then go to this section where you will directly get this option of manage block list. Simply tap to manage block list, and after that you will get to see all of the peoples that you have blocked into your Bitget. Now you just simply have to tap into unblock icon, and after that the person will successfully be unblocked from your Bitget community. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.